Hi! Alright, so we are finishing off our carnivorous plants today from the Tiny Plant Lego set. I have just one more left to do, and then it's the yellow pitcher plant. So this one looks really neat. I'm hoping there's other pieces that have been put in new colors, just like the previous plants before. So I like that they've got these neon green, like broom pieces that they're going to be used on this build. So let's dig in and see how it goes. Okay, I am to the point where I am building the actual flower portion to this tiny plant. And some of the unique pieces that they've done to create this tiny plant is they've done the Explorer helmet in this kind of spring green color, which would normally go on your like Jungle Explorer minifigures, little hats, as the little bowl that catches or holds the enzymes, or the deadly enzymes anyway, so when the unfortunate bugs fall in, they die. And then underneath that, holding it, is going to be a lime green broom head for the stalk. That's going to be holding our wonderful Explorer helmet. No new colors of Lego pieces for this particular tiny plant. I know the rest of them had either had a new piece or a new color that was added to make the tiny plant. This one does not. It just uses a lot of really fun and new interesting pieces to make it. So that's kind of a cool little thing. And then a fun fact about the plant is that the leaf right here that would normally grow above the pitcher cannot move and seal it. It just helps to keep the rain from getting in and diluting the enzymes within that kill the bugs. So that's a fun little interesting fact. There's another fact on another page, but I don't want to spoil it for you guys. So if you guys do decide to pick up this set, or if you haven't built yours yet, you get to learn a little bit more about the plant, which is a little, I like how Lego does this for the Botanicals. They tell you about the plant that you're building and the flower that you have, so that way you can learn a little bit more about it. And like I've noted previously, and not kill it, because it's not real. So, all right, let me finish up these last few pieces, and we will have the completed set that I can show you guys. Okay, and we are done with our yellow pitcher plant, the third carnivorous plant in this set. This is, I like how they use the little broomed bottoms to use for the stalk, and the Explorer helmets for the actual bowls of it that holds the enzymes. And you probably can't really tell in the video, but they did put a little clear 1x1 brick stud to mimic the enzymes that would be inside of these that the little bugs would fall into and be eaten. So here we are. Here's our other carnivorous plants that we've already made. We'll add this to the rest of the tiny plant collection. And then we just have the last 3 to go. So thank you for watching and following on this. If you like the video and you want to see the rest of it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me. And also follow me on my Instagram. And we'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks!